In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a club on the website. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm your choice with confidence. First, make sure you're on the specific club's page that you want to leave. This is important because the option to leave is tied to the club itself, not your general account settings. You can get there by navigating through your clubs list, using the site's search, or following a link you've bookmarked. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct club by checking its name and banner. If you manage multiple clubs, it's easy to mix them up. Once you're on that club page, look toward the right side of the screen for a controls area, usually a sidebar. You're looking for an option labeled My Settings, or a small gear icon that represents settings. Depending on your device or screen size, it might appear at the top right or within a collapsible panel. On mobile, you may need to tap a menu icon to reveal it. If you don't see it immediately, scroll slightly or hover over the sidebar to expand hidden items. Go ahead and click My Settings. This will open the club-specific settings where you can manage your membership preferences. The interface may vary slightly depending on updates, but you're looking for the membership actions within this section. If you clicked a gear icon instead of a label, it should take you to the same place. Within the settings, find the Leave Club button. Before clicking, be aware that leaving will typically remove your access to members-only content, discussions, and events for that club. If you have any ongoing responsibilities, such as managing events or moderating content, make sure those are addressed first. When you're ready, click Leave Club. A confirmation pop-up will appear to verify that you want to proceed. This is designed to prevent accidental departures. Read the message, then confirm your choice. If you change your mind, you can cancel here and remain a member. After confirming, you should see immediate feedback. You may be redirected, the page may refresh, or the membership status will update to reflect that you've left. If the page doesn't update right away, a quick refresh usually resolves it. That's it. Navigate to the club page, open My Settings, choose Leave Club, and confirm in the pop-up. Follow these steps anytime you want to leave a club quickly and cleanly.